Learn English. Hello! Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. Today's game is verbs for all levels. It will start easy and then get more difficult. Number 1. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Watch. We are gonna watch a movie tonight. The basic form is to watch something or somebody, maybe if they're dancing. Bob will a TV show tonight and watch it later. This means he will record the show. He will tape a TV show. To tape a show equals to record a show with a DVR, digital video recorder. The flowers are very aromatic. That means they smell nice. This means they are developing into a flower, usually in the springtime. They are blooming. The basic form, to bloom. We are tired. We can't walk anymore. We have to rest. Rest is a verb here. We are sorry. Did we? This means, did we scare you? Slowly, frighten. Quickly, frighten. To frighten somebody equals to scare somebody. That stock is, this is from the business world. The stock is going up. And the first letter is a T. Trending. The basic form is to trend, but we usually use this word in the ing form, like this, trending higher or lower. I can show you this one. Paper and the water. Okay, what happened? And both of the missing letters are the same letter. Absorb. To absorb something also equals to soak something up. Also from the business world, the juice is bottled here, and bottled means it's put in the bottle, and then the other one is it puts the thing on the front of the bottle that you can read. It is labeled over there. To label a product. The mining company, this means they left. They stopped working here. They abandoned this site. Jennifer said the food tastes bland. She will. This means to add spices. She will season it.